Basically, it provides free mock APIs. You can use it. Like this will provide us the list of to-dos. Similarly, this will provide us a list of posts, comments, albums, and many more. So let's go with post at the moment. So there are two ways to call a API. One is using the fetch and one is using Axios. So today, like we will be not using fetch, we'll be going with Axios today. So let's install the Axios package. And there's one more good thing about this is like you can go to any npm package and explore the things which it is offering. So suppose if I search for npm Axios, so it is the complete package which is used to fetch promise-based HTTP client for browser and Node.js. So basically, you will find all the methods here, like which methods Axios provide, how you can change the methods. Like there is get method, is post method, patch method, how to pass the arguments, how to pass parameters. Everything is defined here. So you can just check the documentation, and it is really clean and good. Okay, so let's install Axios first. So yes, so I'm using yarn, so I will just copy this and install Axios. It's done. So how will you check it? It's done. So basically node modules here, if you refresh, so you will see all the modules which you have installed as a dependency are present here. Similarly, Axios, it's here now. So it's installed. So now we will import Axios. Let's go to our API and get the path of the API. So basically, the base part is this, and if we add post after that, it will fetch us the posts. So I will make another function for getting the call, which would be get posts. It will be an arrow function, and it will be an asynchronous function because we want to use promises here. So create a variable. I will use await keyword so that when I get the response, it automatically gets saves into data. So Axios.get, and then I will add this path /posts. So let's first console log and see what we are getting exactly in this. Let's see what we are getting in data. Okay, we need to call it first. So we are calling it use effect. And let's make it above the use effect. Let's change it to let's inspect. Let's first see the network call, how it gets called. Okay. So see, this is a get request we are making to get the posts. Status code is 200. These are the headers which are going. And this is the response. So we are getting around 100 posts here, in which we are getting one user ID, body, title, and ID, 4 keys. Okay, so and if we console log it, so in this we are getting an object in which in data we are getting all the posts. So let's change this to response. Okay, now we want to display this posts here, all the posts here. So what we will do, we will use the set post method. We have already seen that in response.data we are getting the posts, right? We will set post at response.data, right? Okay, let's quickly change this, remove this await, and then log the response. Suppose if we are not using the await, if we're not using the promises, so what we will get in response? Any ideas? Okay, let's check now. So we are getting a pending promise. So what Ajax request is returning is, generally there are three states. It returns as a promise. So in promise there are three states: pending, rejected, and fulfilled, right? So basically, if you're not using await keyword or any other keyword before this, so it will return as a promise. Either it might be pending or it might be fulfilled. Since we know JavaScript is asynchronous, so it won't wait for the API response to complete. So that's why we are using await here. So let's uncomment this. Let's see what we are getting in posts. Let's JSON stringify it at the moment. Okay, so we are getting an array. So I guess you know the map method. So we'll now just map the posts one by one. What keys you were getting in posts? Let's check once again. So we are getting this. We are getting this 4 fields. So let's display the title for every post in an unordered list. So that's how we have run a map on post. We are displaying every post. We are having the post, every post key as an index, and we are just displaying the title of the post. So in the next session, we will be covering how to implement lazy loading, how to implement pagination, and many other things. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.